There's like a mystery element to it. I don't really know what I'm walking into, but we've definitely tried to prepare the best we can.
This year we had an X factor that they added in there, and there are those little chinks that make it, exciting to try to better yourself. And I'm a home cook.
It really puts professional chefs, professional competitors, and home cooks all in the same venue.
I love the camaraderie of the chefs and the competing of the food sport and knowing that you have to do your best to win.
You are challenged to create a unique dish, but you are required to use ingredients that they want you to use.
Oh my goodness. Can I say I have never eaten that many biscuits and grits in my life?
The final table is a lot of things. It represents, in our opinion, the pinnacle of food sport. It's the moment where every aspiring chef, every aspiring cook team, every aspiring home cook has a chance to become a celebrity chef, to take home not only the biggest prize in food sport, but the biggest payday in food sport. And as a result of that, we always develop and create a very challenging set of cooks, 3 challenges in our final table moment. So we will go through, over the next 2 days, an elimination style cooking challenge where we take 10 of the world's best champions, narrow the field to 5, from 5 to 3, and ultimately have one person left standing who is our new $100,000 World Food Champion.
I've been a part of the World Food Championships for 7 years. And the thing I love the most about it is that me as a chef, it pushes me to be bigger and better every year. And it also exposes me to so much talent, so much networking, and so many new amazing products through all the sponsors.
The thing that's exciting is how much it's grown and how much the public has caught on to what food sport really is.
Thank you, Mayor. Thank you, Mayor. We had a wonderful time. Love, boy, applause. We'll be happy to do this again anytime. Teams, noon.
Throughout this, I'd say past couple of months, ever since the main event of WFC, we've been doing definitely our homework, watching the TV shows or looking up different recipes that we could improve on. Me and my dad both took stage positions at restaurants to try to learn more techniques, get quicker, and just improve our palates over the past couple of weeks. So
we are working in a old antebellum converted home here on the University of South Carolina campus, which is the culinary center for the program. There are exactly 12 ovens in this facility. We're using 10 of them. So these champions are going to have to compete and perform and execute in close quarters. The final table is always a localized process. And now that we're in South Carolina, we're doing very southern, delicious cuisine. So the biscuits and grits and peaches, the first challenge, they've got to come up with some kind of great dish. And believe it or not, there's a lot of ways to make biscuits. It'll be interesting to see each one of the champions bring their unique flair to biscuit making. So each cook will have access to a pantry that's made up of local products. Adela Flour is one of the big sponsors behind the event. They'll have to use that product, but they can add to it any way they want to. If they have a particular flavor in mind as they're going to approach the biscuits and grits strategy. We're not limiting what they bring to the table. And in fact, that's, I think, what will make it unique is that you'll get 10 different versions.
I think right now my hardest obstacle is getting everything on the plate that I have said I will make. So, because we have a big one for the first round, we have a lot of stuff to prepare.
I've made a lot of biscuits. I cook with Peaches a lot, making jams, and grits. I've been cooking Southern foods for a long time. Working with my team, with my sous chefs to prepare, that's been important. The camaraderie, the teamwork that we have, so that's been important.
It's tougher. It's tougher because it's kind of like a gauntlet. You have to win. You have to win to get there. Then you have to win 3 times just to make it to here. So it's tough.
And the second challenge for those 5 individuals who get beyond the biscuits challenge, those 5 individuals will have to go fish tomorrow to catch what they're going to cook. And they don't even know what it is yet. So I'm sure they have been researching what kind of fish come out of Lake Murray, and I'm sure they have been trying numerous ways to create a bass or maybe a big brim, who knows.
This is completely different because you have to use more chefy skills. I'm used to barbecue competitions or grilling competitions, so going into this, I need to branch out a little more, pull those ancillary, competitions that I've done, and get a little more creative. Plus, you typically have to do an entree and sides, so it's creating a whole meal.
7, one extra. Cheers, brother.
Time to load up my time douche, man.
The last thing is a quail. Quail is something that the executive chef here at McCutcheon House is interested in putting on the menu, and that's why we're saving it to the last. So the last 3 finalists will have to create something that ultimately the executive chef here at McCutcheon House will play a heavy hand in judging, because he's going to have to represent it and recreate it on a regular basis when it goes on the menu.
Well, we competed barbecue for years, and we went to World Food with a barbecue win. And when I got there, it was just so amazing watching Kitchen Arena and everyone there, and it's just like it's a totally different atmosphere. You are just really fast-paced. It goes quickly, not like barbecue, which takes hours. So it was just really, really an exciting place to be.
WFC is truly in a league by itself. No one brings 10 genres of food together the way we do. And within those 10 genres, requires each contestant to excel in 3 cooks, and then takes those 10 champions and puts them through a whole new gauntlet at the final table like we do.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yes!
Our ultimate champion will have navigated 6 complete different challenges in their quest from start to finish to get to that $100,000 moment. So no one else does that. And not incidentally, no one else pays $100,000 to the champion like we do.